So he's still here. I'm outside 24142 and he did a full right turn and now he has just a white flasher on the front and he's trying to come down over my head. Oh, this one's a CESSNA. They're stoked about that. Let's mix it up. Yeah, so this isn't a problem either. So what they've done is, and I mixed it up for a second because that's what they've been trying to do with this cover up. So there's a CESSNA right here with a red flashing light. It's out behind Geronimo Cordillera headed towards Alicia Geronimo intersection. Flying around in circles. So I mixed it up because of how it flew by me. But it's a CESSNA with a red flashing light. So that's again using my phone against me. So they get there in their little suits in their courtroom and they're like, yeah, well, it's only a red light. So that's not a police helicopter. Even though you hear the sounds and he was chasing you and screwing around with you, it's just a CESSNA with a red flashing light. And the copter is out here. I'm not wrong. So they're trying to mix it up. So I was correct the first time.